Welcome to Mark's Motorsports and Farming channel. I'm at the National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky, and I'm at the Kuhn booth. So I'll walk you around and show you what all they're displaying at this year's show. Start here. I got a disc vine here. Like a 9-foot, I'm guessing. We got another disc vine here. I suppose similar in width. I guess I don't know for sure what width they are, but here's part of the cutter bar. Here's their round wheeler. Here's a feed mixer. And here they're showing you different components with this photo display. There's multiple ways to get some of this stuff too. Like here, there's different ways to discharge this feed mixer. Here is a huge manure spreader. Not 100% sure how many bushels I am. I'd say it's 600 bushel capacity if I had to guess. Yeah, here's kind of a... I'm not sure if this is no-till or not. There's a smaller width drill here. And there's a pillar right there. Here's a spreader, it can spread fertilizer or different grains. They have a little display here of the different stuff that you can spread with it. There's another smaller granular type spreader. There's a hay tedder up here. And they also have video displays of some of the stuff working in fields. Here's wheel rake. Is a part of a windrow inverter. They're basically showing you the kind of setup it has. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed the walk around here. The Kuhn equipment display. at the 2020 National Farm Machinery Show. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I certainly appreciate that. Be sure to hit the like button. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Or click the subscribe button. And once you subscribe, then scroll over to the right and click on the bell, and you'll get notified whenever a new video is posted. Be sure to check out Mark's Motorsports and Farming channel on Facebook as well. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you later.